Chantilly lays out a pretty face, ponytail hanging down, wiggling a walk and a giggling a talk. Made a world go round now. Ain't nothing in the world like a big-eyed girl. Make me act so funny, spend all my money, feel real good along that goose there. Oh, baby, that's what I like. Will I what? Will I what? Pick you up at 8 and don't be late. But I ain't got no money, honey. Oh, baby, you know what you're at like. Chantilly lays out a pretty face, ponytail hanging down, with a wiggle and a walk and a talk. Oh, made the world go round. Ain't nothing in the world like a big-eyed girl. Act so funny, spend my money, feel real loose like a long-necked goose. I'm like, oh, baby, that's what I like. Do it again, Carmine. What's that, honey? Will I what? Pick you up at 7? Oh, we'll go to heaven. But, oh, baby, you know what I like.
Hey, we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner for another hour of fun country music. Want to thank you all for watching. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and it is Halloween time, Bob.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, what do you think? Trick or treat?
What's that?
It's a trick or treat time for the kids and everybody.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun.
It's always fun.
It is fun. It's
Yes.
a great thing. So we threw a few pumpkins up and a couple of things to kind of get in the mood. Nellie, would you come up here for a minute? Bring that beautiful dog with you.
The animal will show us up.
And don't trip over the fence like I did. So a little earlier before the show starts, we put the little gate up, and the little lights. And I tell everybody, now step a little high, don't trip over the fence. I've only been doing this for almost 5 years. And I said, Nellie, I'm going to call you up and don't trip. She says, okay, and I walk right up and trip. Almost. No, come here, get over here. A minute. Come here. Come over here. I just want to say, and the dog's name is Dottie? Dottie. So this is Nellie. A lot of you folks watching the show know this young lady. And she was dressed so stylish tonight.
Yes.
I said, I just want to get you up in there and have people see that. And you are beautiful, and we love you around here, and we'll see you later. Learn to sing, would you, so I can get you up here and you could sing with us. That'd be fun. Yeah, but
You say that
can
now.
sure dance. Swan, did you have a good week?
It was fantastic. I'd like to thank all I'm gonna be quiet. I was gonna say something like,
Now be careful. Yeah.
Can't talk anymore.
You got to watch this guy, Bob. You know,
Gotta watch him.
yeah, you got to watch it. Anyway, and Palmer, you're doing good, man. I like the notes on your shirt. Is that what those are? Those notes, or what is it? I don't either. Well, I don't read music, but they look familiar. Somebody could read your shirt right now and play it.
I know it. What is it?
They know what they were
Turn
doing.
it on.
I see a B.
You do? You actually
a
do.
B, yeah.
Okay, so maybe is that the key it would be in? Maybe it's just one of the notes. We don't know. So we don't know if it's a G flat or a B. What keys it in? Okay. Swan, do another one, and then we'll get Bobby to go. Oh, Paul Marshall is on. He's got another gig. He's
playing with
Icy Hawks.
Icy Hawks.
Yeah, and he's up north or something, right? Yeah. So, Paul, we love you. Good luck to the boys in the band and all you guys. Play good and have fun, and we'll see you next week. Okay, Gary Swan.
In C. Gone to a party in the county jail. When the man was there and they began to wail. Band was jumping down, the boys began to sing. You heard in my dad, jailbird sing, let's rock. Body, let's rock. Body in on cell block. Then the duty deal out of rock. Number 47 said to number 3. You the jailbird I ever did see. So would be delighted if you bump with me. Did that ride with me, let's rock. Body, let's rock. Everybody in on cell block. Then the duty deal out of rock. This back was sitting on a block of thorns. Over in the corner, we've been all alone. One daddy, but I don't be no square. Can't mind the partner, use the wood. Hey, let's rock. Body, let's rock. Everybody in the whole cell block. Then the deal get out. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody, let's rock. Everybody in on the block. Into the jail out rock.
That was kind of fun. Hey, you know, I was watching YouTube last night, and this thing popped up. It was an Ed Sullivan show from 1957, and I was probably watching that show when I think I was 13 years old back then. Anyway, the whole Ed Sullivan show was Elvis. You know, he was the only guest artist, and he did the whole hour, and it was really cool.
Wow.
He had the Jordanaires, and of course, Scotty Moore was there and the guys. And it was so great to flash back, and I just watched the whole show and thought, God, I remember that. You know, it was such a great feeling. He was good.
Yeah,
Yeah, he could sing.
no doubt about it.
Somebody asked James Burton once on a talk show, they said, now you put the band together. He said, yeah. And they asked him, they said, it was a pretty good band, wasn't it? And you know what James said? He said, well, he said, you know, we had a pretty good singer. I thought that was a great line. All right, Bob, what are you going to hit us with?
Well, we had a request last week for a song. It's called Tiger by the Tail.
Great song.
It's in the key of D.
That was me. I called that in.
You got that right. Okay. I'll do it. I'll start vocally. Here we go. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. Well, I'm losing weight, turning mighty pale, and it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. Well, the day I met you, you were meek as a lamb, just the kind that fit my dreams and plans. Well, the pace we're living takes the wind from my sails, and it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. Well, I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale, and it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. Keyboard. Are found. There ain't no way to slow you down, and I'm about as helpless as a leaf in a gale, and it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. Yes, I'm losing weight, turning mighty pale, and it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. Play it again, Lord. Guitar. I've got a tiger by the tail, it's plain to see. I won't be much when you get through with me. Yes, I'm losing weight and turning mighty pale, and it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. And it looks like I've got a tiger by the tail. All right.
The keys by numbers, because I thought he said C.
Oh,
I thought he said G.
Oh, sorry.
well, I think did you say D?
I said D.
All right, he said D. I was the only guy in the band that got it right, so I get the prize.
I'll make sure everybody knows what key it's in.
Okay,
Yeah.
simple enough.
Is
When did at what point of the song did you catch it? After?
Well, they all ended with a re. I thought you. Yeah.
Bobby, do another one.
All right.
That was pretty spiffy.
I sure will.
We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. Push, share, and like if you're watching us on Facebook. And if you're watching it on YouTube, please put the subscribe button. Boy, the subscribers are coming up on YouTube. Really excited about that.
And if you're watching this in your kitchen,
Fix yourself a peanut butter and jelly sandwich
Yeah,
and enjoy the show.
and then put your pipe down, whatever you. Because we ain't in no kitchens.
Let's do a tune called Crazy Arms in the key of E, Edward.
Oh, would you like Jerry Lee, or what style will we be doing this
The,
in?
the country way. Like, I think Ray
Bob's.
Price, maybe.
Ray Price, that guy.
Yeah, Ray Price, yeah.
I'm gonna use sticks though. I think he used brushes on the record, but I'm gonna use
Okay.
sticks, bro.
You
Whatever.
do what you want, brother.
That's fine.
Pick it.
Okay, 1-5-1 at the top. No breaks. Just,
G of E, all right?
yeah, E,
Stop
yeah.
fighting.
All right. 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3.
Now blue ain't the word for the way that I feel. There's a storm brewing in this heart of mine. This ain't no crazy dream, I know that it's real. You're someone else's love now, you're not mine. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new. Though my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine.
Not mine.
My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed. And that's why I'm lonely all the time. So please take these treasure dreams I had for you and me, and take all the love I thought was mine. Someday these crazy arms will hold somebody new, and that's why I'm lonely all the time. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new. Though my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed. And that's why I'm lonely all the time. Play it again, lads, play it again. Farmland sorrow. Well, crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new. Though my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine.
Not mine. Not mine.
My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed. And that's why I'm lonely all the time. And that's why I'm lonely all the time. Now that's country.
That is, and especially the way you do it is country. But you are a great country player and singer. And you play such good bass. Rock solid.
Thank you.
Love the way you play. You're a good
I
musician.
love playing bass.
Well, you know what? It's
I'm
good.
driving the train. You know?
Yeah,
Me and
that's
John-
right, man.
Me and John driving the train.
Without the bass, you got nothing. No foundation. I'm going to sing one in about a minute. I'm trying to build my nerve up because I might try another song tonight that I've never done before. Boy, that could be exciting.
Oh, yeah.
You know. So, you know, I thought of something that was kind of funny. It's probably going to flop, big flop, but I'm going to say it anyway because, you know, Johnny Cash, he'd always open the show with, "Hello, I'm Johnny Cash." Right? And I thought because of what we're doing here, I'd say, "Hello, I'm low on cash." I thought that'd be funny. We don't make any money around here. So. But we do love doing it. We're not going to stop. I don't care what happens. We're doing this every week until we can't. Are you ready?
Yes.
What keys it in?
Yeah. There you go. What keys it in?
C.
Okay.
Okie from Muskogee.
Okay.
1, 2, come on. We don't smoke marijuana in Muskogee. We don't take our trips on LSD. We don't burn our draft cards down on Main Street. We like to pitch in wool and being free. And I'm proud to be an Okie from Muskogee, place where even squares can have a ball. And we still weave Old Glory down by the courthouse. And white lightning is still the biggest thrill of all. Leather boots are still in style, manly footwear. Beats and Roman sandals can't be seen. And football's still the roughest thing on campus. And the quarterback's the college queen. And I'm proud to be an Okie from Muskogee, a place where even squares can have a ball. We don't let our hair grow long and shaggy like the hippies out San Francisco do. Oh, pick it. And I'm proud to be an Okie from Muskogee, a place where even squares can have a ball. We still weave Old Glory down at the courthouse. And white lightning is still the biggest thrill of all. And white lightning is still the biggest thrill of all. In Muskogee
Nice feel on that one, Gary. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. And he was nice enough to, I guess it's been over a couple of years now, Bob. He gave us this place, and it's like home.
It seems like a year and a half.
It's a long time. It does. It flew by. Hey, we got some new lights. Now, last week, I thought the 2 new lights we got were a little too bright. We looked kind of washed out. So this time, Dan decided he was going to bring them. Did you ever bring them down a little bit? Yeah. He did. He brought them down a little. Now, Kim's not here to help him. Tom Wilson is not. Tom Paul Wilson's not here. So Dan is running like 2 sets of equipment setups at the same time, which is a lot of work. I see him going back and forth, checking everything. He's like this. Yeah. Dan, you do great work. We love you around here, and I've only known Dan, I know, at least 45 years. So, 44. Is it 44? Well, boy, it sure felt like 45, I got to tell you. All right, maybe I'll do one.
Remember, Bob Smith would give these cars away, but his wife won't let him.
Straight. 1, 2, 3, and... Today I started loving you again, and I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartaches mend. Then today I started loving you again. What a fool I was to think that I'd get by with only these few million tears I cried. And I should have known the worst was gonna come. Crying time for me had just begun. And today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let these heartaches mend. Today I started loving you again. And the warden led a prisoner just behind past my cell. I stood up to say goodbye like all the rest, and I heard him ask the warden just before he passed my cell, let my guitar picking friend do my request. And today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartaches mend. Today I started loving you again. I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let these heartaches mend. And today I started loving you again. And today I started loving you again. I wasn't all, you know, I like that. We were doing it, dude. Yeah, man. That's it. Bob Smith Toyota, don't forget, we're coming to you. Have I got his sign up somewhere? Did I put it anywhere? Uh-oh. Yeah, we moved it because I put all the pumpkins up, so I got to get back up here next week and hang it somewhere. Gary, you want to do another one? No. I guess he does. He's starting to play piano.
Okay, listen, you can't sing unless you got a mic.
You got to talk right into the mic if you're going to talk. So that everybody can hear you. The whole world. What key?
B flat.
E flat? You said E flat?
Lights to the ballroom. Is that how it starts?
E flat.
She started, picked a fine time. If you know the words that start this song off,
You guys out there sing.
please send them in. I have no clue. From the left, I know it like halfway through. It's the first time I've ever stopped a song.
Okay.
I always criticize bands that stop the song, but it feels good.
Sometimes.
We were going and then we stopped.
Yeah, but then what you should do is start another one. Right
Oh,
away.
okay, I get it.
What
All
key is
right,
this one in?
this one's in G.
Good.
It's called "Oh Lonesome Me." Very slow and sad tune.
Okay.
1, 2, 1. Well, everybody's going out having fun. Guess I'm just a fool for staying home having none. Thought of everything made it easy. Oh, lonesome me. like me. She's out and fancy free, flirting with the boys with all her charm. Well, I still love her so, and brother, don't you know, I'd welcome her right back here in my arms. Must be somewhere I can lose lonesome blues. Get up at the past, find somebody new. Thought of everything, made it easy.
Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me.
Oh, lonesome me. See, I ate a cookie before I came up here.
Sounded. What was that first song you were trying to do? Lucille. You just forgot the words, huh?
Yeah, no, the Cookie Monster got me.
It's okay. It happens. You know, we got a lot going on up here. Bob, hit me.
Let's do a song called Margaritaville. I was up the street in a little restaurant and they had a little sign saying "Best Margaritas in Town." So that reminded me. Oh yeah, maybe I could do Margaritaville today. It's called Mi Casita.
I worked his hotel once in. He's got them all over, but the one in Shreveport, Louisiana, he's got a big on the river, great big hotel casino.
Oh, it's
Called
an E?
Margaritaville Hotel.
Oh yeah.
You sure E? Oh, dogs. See, here we go. I know it.
One, two, 1, 2, 3.
Nibbling on sponge cake, watching the sun bake. All those tourists covered with oil, strumming my 6-string on my front porch swing. I smell them shrimp, they're beginning to boil. Wasted away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker and song. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I think that it's nobody's fault. I don't know the reason I stayed here all season with nothing to show but this brand new tattoo. And it's a real beauty right there on my booty. But how it got there, I haven't a clue. Wasted away again in Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker and song. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I think that it could be my fault. Keyboard. I blew out my flip-flop, stepped on a pop top. I cut my heel, had to cruise on back home. But I don't mind, I don't care, because there's booze in the blender, and soon it will render that frozen concoction that helps me hang on. Wasted away again her Margaritaville, searching for my lost shaker of song. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame, and I know it's my own damn fault. Yes, and some people claim that there's a woman to blame, but I know it's my own damn fault.
And that's a good answer.
I'm going out on that highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going out on that highway, listen to the big trucks whine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bite. People there would treat you fine. That old dog will bite, and people there will treat you fine. And that white freight liner is gonna satisfy my mind. to where I came. Going back to Houston, gotta go back to where I came. And that white Freightliner is gonna satisfy my pain. That white Freightliner is gonna satisfy my pain. Coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. We got a little bit of time left. What time is it? Okay, that's our last song. I'm kind of sorry the hour went by pretty fast, didn't it, Bob?
Yeah.
Did you, you want to close the show today?
When you're having fun, you know.
I'm having fun when I'm picking. You know what? Do one quick one, then I'm going to have Gary close the show. We're going to go over by a couple of minutes. Well, I got 10 minutes? Oh, I didn't know. I thought I only had 5. Okay, well, good. Yeah, do one, Bob.
All right. We're going to do...
Thanks for watching, folks. Keep pushing the share button, the like button, and on YouTube, subscribe button. And that helps us out a little bit.
Just stay here and think. Drink.
What key? What key?
Hey.
Hey, that's the Italian.
Canada.
Yeah.
We'll be holding.
Oh, yeah, don't you know?
A big,
TV.
a big. Okay, here we go. Right, hold on. You in tune? Okay, yeah.
Gotcha.
3, 4.
Could be holding you tonight. Could quit doing wrong, start doing right. But you don't care about what I think. I think I'll just stay here and drink. Hurting you down, don't square the deal. Least you'll know the way I feel. Take all the money in the bank. I think I'll just stay here and drink. Now listen close and you can hear that loud jukebox playing in my ear. Ain't no woman gonna change the way I think. I think I'll just stay here and drink. Ho, ho. Putting me down don't mean a thing. Since love ain't here, I don't feel a thing. My mind ain't nothing but a total blank. I think I'll just stay here and drink. Now listen close and you can hear that loud jukebox playing in my ear. Ain't no woman gonna change the way I think. I think I'll just stay here and drink. Play one more time, louds.
true story.
Great song. All right, folks, we're going to do one more and going to head out. Had a great time tonight. Thank you. Gary, thank you. Of course, Palmer, John. And Bob, thank you. Great job. Great job. This guy plays great guitar, bass, sings, everything. I love him.
Mandolin. Oh.
Bring it up. Don't worry about it. Just come up one night and play it. It'll be great. Hey, we love you. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. Keep in touch. Watch the show. Tell a friend. Have a good time. And be safe Halloween. I think we got 1 or 2 more Sundays before Halloween actually hits. At least one anyway. So we'll see you next week and talk a little about that. I got a little 4-year-old great-granddaughter, little Nicole. She's 4.5 years old. I said, what are you going to be? She said, a ghost. Well, she knew right away. She said, Mommy's making me a blanket with these 2 big black eyes on the white sheet that I could see through. I said, how do they do that? She said, I don't know. Mommy does it.
Grandchild?
Huh?
You say great-grandchild?
Great. Yeah, great. Yeah.
You're not old enough for that.
I'm 80 years old, and I'm so happy to have the good Lord gave me the pleasure of playing with a 4-year-old great-grandchild. I just love this guy. This little girl, she is so funny. She calls me Papa. Now, I'm trying to get her to call me Grandpa. You know, I'm like from the old school. I'm Grandpa. But she likes Papa. She will not call me Grandpa. So Papa's cool. Okay, Gary, what do we got?
One more last chance in A.
That's a good song.
One.
You going to do it tonight? Okay.
1, 2, 3, and... She was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good book in her left hand, rolling man in her right. Says you come home for the last time. Whiskey on your breath. You're gonna listen to my preaching, or I'm gonna beat you half to death. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do is the good old boys are making noise, running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. First she hid my car keys, that's the door I can't see. Said you ain't going nowhere, boy. Spend a little time with me. But my friends call from the honky tonk. There's a party going on around here. She may have took my gasses. I got about my old John Dick. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. The best that I can do. There's the good old boys that make a noise, running around on you. One more last chance before you say we're through. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. I know I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do is this good old boy that's making noise and running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. Before you say we're through.